Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to make this popsicle, and it is called abiliwol in Ghana. And before that, I'm going to first prepare a fast breakfast. I'm going to prepare a simple breakfast that is very healthy for both adults and children, and I know you are going to love it. This is a very healthy, creamy and delicious breakfast. It is good for adults and also good for children. This is a very simple breakfast that I know you are going to like it because it doesn't take much time to prepare it and the ingredients are just so few, and I know you are going to try it. The first thing we'll be needing here is our ripe banana. I have some ripe banana here which was given to me by a friend. She just bought the banana and brought it for me. Thank you so much. If you are here watching this video, I so much appreciate your gift. So now I want to use this banana to make this special breakfast. These are really fresh banana and I love the banana so much because it's so hard to get good banana these days. I wonder where she got this fine banana from. It's so fresh and and they are all ripe. Now I'm going to peel some banana and add it into the blender. So please stay back and watch this video to the end. Thank you. This is the quantity of banana that I need for this breakfast. Now I'm going to add some milk. I'm using a tin of milk for this quantity of banana. Next, I'll be adding this whole milk to it in order to make it more easier to blend. This is optional, you can replace it with water. Now I'm going to add peanut butter and I'm going to use 1.5 tablespoons. Next thing I'm going to add is water. Since I have enough milk in the blender, I'm not going to use much water. But you need to add something liquid so that it will enable the blender to blend easily. Our breakfast is ready. What I did after adding it into the cup was to put it in the fridge and allow it to get cold for about 20 to 30 minutes before serving. So it is best served cold. You enjoy it more when you blend it with ice or when you frozen your banana before blending. See how creamy the outcome is. It's so creamy, it's so delicious, and so much sweetness in this breakfast, and it's very, very healthy. It's so delicious with high nutritional value. Now I'm going to transfer the remaining into my popsicle cups. This second method is very good for women with kids that doesn't like eating fruits or that doesn't want to eat food at all. If you have a child that hardly eats banana or that doesn't like banana, just prepare it this way. Pack it into your popsicle cups. Allow it to frozen for about 8 to 10 hours in the freezer. You will see that the child will ask for more. And after transferring it into the popsicle cup, add your popsicle stick and allow it to frozen. By the time you serve your children, they won't know that they are taking banana. They will be thinking they are taking ice cream. This is after 8 hours in the freezer. It's so nice, it's so creamy and solid. This is the outcome after 8 hours in the fridge. It tastes so sweet, and I know when you give it a try, you are going to like it. If you enjoy watching this video up to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe, drop your comments, like and share with family and friends. Thanks for watching, and see you some other time in my next video. Bye bye.